Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create and customize a progress bar in Clickup step by step. Whether you're managing personal tasks, client work, or a full team project, progress bars make it much easier to visualize how much work has been completed and what still needs attention. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Clickup website. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to track progress. Since progress bars are usually added as custom fields, you'll need to open the specific list view where your tasks are located. After opening your list, look toward the upper right section of the screen and click Customize. In some ClickUp layouts, this option may appear as a plus icon or under the View Settings menu, depending on the version you're using. From the drop-down menu, select Fields or Custom Fields. This section allows you to add extra tracking tools to your tasks, including ratings, numbers, drop-downs, formulas, and progress indicators. Now search for Progress using the search bar. Once the Progress field appears, ClickUp will usually give you multiple options to choose from. The most common choices are Auto Progress and Manual Progress. Auto Progress automatically updates the progress bar based on completed subtasks or task statuses. Manual Progress gives you more control by allowing you to update the percentage yourself. This is useful if you want to track progress based on milestones, phases, or external work that isn't directly connected to subtasks inside ClickUp. Choose the option that fits your workflow best. In this example, let's select Auto Progress. Next, give your new field a clear name, such as Project Progress, Task Completion, or Progress Bar. Naming your fields properly makes your workspace easier to understand, especially when working with teams or clients. After that, configure the tracking settings. Depending on the progress type you selected, ClickUp may ask what should count toward completion. You can track progress using subtasks, checklists, statuses, or other conditions available in your workspace. You can also open the Advanced Settings section to customize permissions, visibility, and other field behaviors. These extra settings are useful if multiple team members are collaborating on the same project. Once everything is configured, click Create or Save. Your new progress bar will immediately appear as a column inside your task list. Now, as tasks are completed or updated, the progress bar will automatically reflect the current completion level. This gives you a quick visual overview of how projects are moving without needing to open every individual task. Progress bars are especially helpful for project managers, freelancers, and teams because they improve visibility and make it easier to identify delays or unfinished work. Instead of guessing project status, you can instantly see how close a task or project is to completion. And that's how you can add a progress bar in ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.